Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Sir, this entire discussion has been initiated by the finance minister. He feels somewhat optimistic about the economic situation. I confess that this is the one point on which I must disagree. The situation today is something that causes much concern. There is rising unemployment. The prices are also rising. Mr. Finance Minister feels that there is justification for viewing the situation hopefully because he thinks that the infrastructure are performing very well. I do not understand on what basis he has come to this conclusion. He says that the power generation is more satisfactory than last year, but should he be satisfied with power generation of 51%? Should the efficiency not be very much greater? There is no reason why the power station should not be operating more efficiently, and unless you insist upon it, you cannot obtain a requisite degree of improvement in efficiency. But in any case, to be complacent and say that the infrastructure is performing well is very strange. Similarly, in the case of coal, you put enormous sums of money in an industry which is also the next basic industry. The results are unsatisfactory. The production remains as unsatisfactory as ever while the costs are increasing. When he says the price situation is under control, I do not know on what basis the price situation is said to be under control. I'm sorry that he places too much reliance on statistics. The interpretation of statistics is important and they are capable of being manipulated in any manner as one would like to in order to produce conclusion that one desires. Statistics are undoubtedly necessary. They have to be collected, but we have to judge them, we have to interpret them very carefully. I would say then when the finance minister forms the conclusion in regard to price situation, he should ask the housewives and see what they have to think about the price situation. Inflation is really rising very seriously. Every household is deeply disturbed. In such a position, to say that the price situation is under control is scarcely right. What is still more unfortunate is the fact that so many decisions are being taken which must lead to further increase in prices. The railways freight rates have been increased within a year, and I do not know whether it is part of the next budget exercise that is being carried on.